There's just something about watching tools that get the job done in style. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. This carpet tool stretches the carpet uniformly toward the baseboard for a tight fit. The first World Series was played in 1903 between Pittsburgh and Boston in a 9-game series. Boston won that series. The baseball cap has become a fashion icon and is not just reserved for the field. Here's how they are formed. Fabricating corners in square tubing can be tricky, but this is the only job for this machining tool. Even though it's simple, its efficiency is invaluable when you need this specific task done. This rebar would have gone into the scrap pile, but this hydraulic press is better than Superman at bending steel. There are many types of machine tools, and one of their functions is to carve away materials to form products. This one creates a precision thread for this pipe in an ingenious way. This is a clever use of waste products to create a wood chopping machine out of some welded scrap metal and a carefully crafted blade. An electronic component is a basic electronic element. The components can be connected together to make circuits. Components can be single items or more complex circuits. This machine turns out perfect cylindrical clay molded parts consistently, with clusters of small holes. The only people that wouldn't enjoy watching this are people with trypophobia. Custom rims are all the rage now and can be extremely expensive. Sometimes they're made with casts, but here a machine tool carves away the undesired metal, forming a truly unique product. Workers don't always have the luxury of a machine shop. When on site, it's a blessing to have hand tools to get that job done. Without this one, this pipe fitting would be delayed, costing the company revenue. We've all been there. You have a stubborn bolt that just won't come loose. This magic marvel makes short work of it without loss of man hours. Modern punch presses are a marvel that all but eliminates manual processes. Now they're able to complete multiple processes and complex 3D designs as well. Speed, accuracy, and precision are this machine tool's superpowers. There is satisfaction in watching a machine that is so productive in producing perfect parts. Sure, it's great to have a machine shop to automate the work, but hand tools are still the go-to in the field. They're often able to get into those tight spaces and handle tasks human hands simply can't. Ratchet straps, also called tie-down straps, are used to safely tie down cargo in vehicles. Most times, workers need to recoil the straps after the cargo is delivered. There are unlimited applications for this cup-making machine. It reliably spits out consistent sterile products for the food packaging industry. Your imagination is its only limitation. For electricity to function in buildings, the wiring must be done by hand by electricians to switches, boards, sockets, and lighting fixtures. This wire stripper is a must-have. There you have it, satisfying machines and ingenious tools that get the job done. See you next time.